YouTube, and welcome back for another episode of Risk of Rain playthrough. This is the third episode in my little series here, and I'm technically on the final level, but I will most likely go back for another few rounds just to get a little bit tougher because I'm pretty weak so far. After this level, you can choose to go on to the final level and beat the last boss and beat the game, but I'm gonna make sure I'm ready for that, because I'm really not. Oh, and one thing too, if you guys enjoy watching me play some of these games, like this one for example, and want to see me play again, because there is a lot of replayability here with the artifacts and some different things like that, so if that's something you guys are really interested in, leave a comment with what character you'd like me to play and what artifacts and stuff, and I'd be happy to do another playthrough, or several playthroughs for that matter, just to kind of goof around with the game. Hopefully this one goes good though, 'cause with going vanilla the way I did without any extra artifacts, it does have its own challenge to the game for sure. I normally play it so that I can pick what items I get out of chests, and I didn't this time, so it definitely adds a challenge to what I'm used to doing for this game for sure. I should probably go find the teleporter so I can stop the mobs from spawning. Robot guys are tough. Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna get out of here. Get some stuff from chests. Ooh, another one. That's good. That's good. Where is the teleporter? I should probably go find it. Oh, terrible place for my turret. Terrible! Okay. 27 minutes. I always keep track of the time in this game because it actually makes the level of difficulty go up. If you didn't catch that part in previous episodes, every 5 minutes the difficulty goes up. So I try not to spend too long on every level if I can help it. We get caught up fighting all the mobs and stuff. There's the teleporter. Problem is, as soon as I hit that thing, that HP shrine goes away, and they usually give really good stuff. So I'm gonna do this. Try and kill off some mobs and gain some health. Ooh, double jump! Love it. Love it! Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Yes, I did just do the McDonald's tune. No. I don't eat a lot of McDonald's. Okay. I'm just gonna go hit that teleporter because danger! Danger, Will Robinson. My drone died! No! No! Alright, I can't. I was gonna try and hit that shrine, but I can't. I need to get out of here. It's dangerous. Gotta get the heck out of here. Holy cow. Sorry I'm not talking so much. This is a bit intensive. I feel like I'm gonna die. Need to get out of here. Oh, heavens. Heavens, heavens, heavens. Oh yes, cheat death! Oh man, if I die, I will come back to life now. This is awesome. So, take that! Dangerous mobs of danger. Dangerville. Freeze time! Now we're rocking, hopefully. And it looks like my countdown's done, so the mobs are gonna stop spawning. Now I just have to kill them off. This is good. This is good. Oh, see, I just died. Technically, this game would be over right now. But I got lucky. Oh no! Oh! And I died! Well, I think that was actually a pretty decent playthrough of Risk of Rain. I love this game to death. It's so challenging. If you liked this video, hit like. If you'd like to see more of this type of video, leave me a comment below. I'd like to hear from you. And please subscribe. I'd love to put out more videos for you guys. I'm sorry. I can't believe I died. I was doing so well, and then it just all went to hell. Anyways, thanks for watching, YouTube. We'll see you again soon.